Hi everybody, welcome to the Health channel. Did you know that every little seed on a strawberry can grow into a strawberry bush? Don't miss this interesting video. The garden strawberry, or simply strawberry, is a widely grown hybrid plant cultivated worldwide for its fruit. The strawberry is in the rose family. The fruit is appreciated for its aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. It is eaten either fresh or in prepared foods, such as jam, ice cream, and chocolates. Artificial strawberry flavorings and aromas are widely used in commercial products. Botanically, the strawberry is not a berry, but an aggregate accessory fruit. Each apparent seed on the outside of the strawberry is actually an achene, a botanical fruit with a seed inside it. The garden strawberry was first bred in France in the 1750s, which was brought from Chile in 1714. World production of strawberries exceeded 10 million tons, led by China with 40% of the total. Raw strawberries are 91% water, 8% carbohydrates, 1% protein, and contain negligible fat. A reference amount of 100 grams supplies 33 kilocalories, is a rich source of vitamin C, about 65 of the daily value, and a good source of manganese, about 17%, with no other micronutrients in significant content. Strawberries contain a modest amount of essential unsaturated fatty acids in the seed oil. Garden strawberries contain diverse phytochemicals, including the dimeric L-glutamine, agrimonine, which is an isomer of sanguine H6. Other polyphenols present include flavonoids such as anthocyanins, flavonols, and phenolic acids such as hydroxybenzoic acid and hydroxycyanamic acid. Although seeds comprise only about 1% of the total fresh weight of a strawberry, they contribute 11% of all polyphenols in the whole fruit. Sweetness, fragrance, and complex flavor are important attributes of strawberries. In plant breeding and farming, emphasis is placed on sugars, acids, and volatile compounds, which improve the taste and fragrance of the ripe fruit. Esters, terpenes, and furans are the chemical compounds having the strongest relationships to a strawberry flavor, sweetness, and fragrance. For commercial production, plants can be propagated from bare root plants or plugs. One method of cultivation uses annual plasticulture. Another is a perennial system of method rows or mounds, which has been used in cold growing regions for many years. In some areas, greenhouses are used. In principle, they can provide strawberries during the off-season for field crops. Benefits of a strawberry. Number 1. Good for women. Strawberries are very popular among women, not only for their health benefits, but also for their positive effects on the beauty of the skin, hair, and even teeth. The antioxidants in this fruit help in weight loss and maintain natural beauty, and it is known as the lucky fruit for women. Regular consumption of strawberries can lead to achieving natural beauty and a permanent charm that will attract the attention of any onlooker. Number 2. Prevent flu and other infections. Strawberries are known as a rich source of vitamin C and play a key role in strengthening the immune system. This feature of strawberries is especially important in the cold seasons of the year, when the body is more susceptible to colds, fever, sore throats, and coughs. The vitamin C in strawberries helps in the rapid recovery of these types of seasonal diseases, and at the same time, by strengthening the body's defense system, it prevents their recurrence. Number 3. Benefits of strawberries for the uterus. One of the lesser known aspects of strawberries is their effect on the health of the female reproductive system. Due to its acidic and alkaline properties, this fruit is able to disinfect the uterine canals, and thus help prevent the growth of tumors, fungi, bacteria, and other pathogens. By strengthening the health of the reproductive system, this fruit helps maintain balance and overall health of the body. Number 4. Acne treatment. Excess oil under the skin can cause acne. Because strawberries have acidic properties, they can reduce the level of oil on the skin, and in addition to treating acne, prevent new acne from forming. To prepare a strawberry anti-acne mask, put a few strawberries in a blender or mixer until they are completely pureed. Then massage them onto your skin and let them stay on for 20 minutes. Then rinse with cold water. Number 5. Teeth whitening. It is interesting to know that the strawberries are also very useful for teeth whitening. Strawberries contain a good amount of malic acid, which is a natural acid found in fruits, and is useful for teeth whitening. To whiten your teeth, puree a few strawberries and then add a little baking soda to it to make a paste. Massage this paste on your teeth for 5 minutes, then rinse your mouth several times. Number 6. Reducing blood lipids and treating gout. Strawberries are also beneficial for those with high blood lipids and cholesterol. The fiber in strawberries is pectin, and for this reason, in addition to reducing high blood lipids, it is also useful for reducing bad blood cholesterol levels. Consuming strawberries is suitable for treating and preventing gout. Strawberries, due to the presence of nutrients and a variety of strong antioxidants, can help eliminate uric acid and toxins in the body, and for this reason, it is useful for treating and preventing gout. And in side effects section, some people experience anaphylactoid reaction to eating strawberries. The most common form of this reaction is oral allergy syndrome, but symptoms may also mimic a fever or included dermatitis or hives, and in severe cases may cause breathing problems. Proteomic studies indicate that the allergen may be tied to a protein for the red anthocyanin biosynthesis expressed in strawberry ripening named Fragria allergen. White-fruited strawberry cultivars lacking Ferra A1 may be an option for people allergic to strawberries. They ripen but remain pale, appearing like immature berries. A virtually allergen-free cultivar named So Far is available. At the end of this video, it is an honor to be with you. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about the strawberries, ask in the comment section. Your likes give us energy. Stay healthy with us always. Have a nice day.